The Cora plugin found within the built-ins, the container plugins, and the container folder will allow us to sort our scene tree and find certain containers. So here you can see I have a scene set up with several containers in it. I'm just going to turn that on. They're just randomly set up with a couple of options here to demonstrate this. I'm going to drag the Cora onto the container that holds all of my subcontainers here. I'm going to click on my Cora, and what I want to do is be able to find the containers that have the alpha channel on it. And not only do I want to find the containers that have the alpha plugin on it, I also want to find the alpha that has the highest and sort that or rank that in order. So as you can see, I only have 2 in here, but if your scene gets any more complicated than this, it could be a trouble to go through and try and find all of these things. So if you need the Cora to sort through a scene tree, it's one way you can do that. And I'm going to come over to my Cora plugin here. So within the Cora plugin, we have our search criteria here. And we can search by name. There's an X, Y, a Z, an alpha, a key, and a random that we can all use to search by. And as I mentioned, we want to search the alpha. So I'm going to come in here, select it to alpha. And then our mode here, we can say highest first or lowest first. Well, I want to find the alpha plugin that has the highest value, and I want to put that first. So I'm going to select highest first. Now all I need to do is come over here and click execute. And when you go over to your scene tree and open up the folder here, you can see that it rearranged these containers. First, it has our container that has the highest alpha count on it at 100. And then it arranged our container in the second place here with the alpha that has only 11 to it. So you can see it rearranged these containers based on the criteria that we gave it within the Cora.